Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you're returning, thanks for staying with me. So in today's video I will be doing my eyeshadows using Beautiful You Cosmetics by Lily Motams, and this is the palette. This is how it looks. So my face was all done, the eyeshadow, the lipstick, the eyelashes, all by Beautiful You Cosmetics. So that's the rainbow. I am reviewing the rainbow palette. So let's go straight into the video and see how I accomplish this look using Beautiful You Cosmetics. I always start by brushing my eyebrows. Chestnut. Nose. There. There. And because I have a round face, I always contour these areas as well. If you don't want the contours, you can skip this part. If you don't like having this contour, but when I contour, that just kind of gives me, you know, that long looking face. So that's why I always do it here. Getting a damp beauty blender, I'm just going to do that. Blend the product all over my face. And for contouring today, I'm using a cream contour by Morphe, and the shade is it Effect 20? I will then use my blush. My favorite blush color is that one. It's called Queen. I will then use my favorite bronze on my cheekbone. What? I'm using the same bronze just to highlight the bridge of my nose, then I'll tap it. setting it in. I will do the same there. I'm now prepping my crease with the concealer for eyebrow setting. Because I'm doing this because I want my eyeshadows to pop out. So opening the palette, this is what it looks like. So it's got reds, it's got orange, it's got a yellow, a green, blue, pink, and purple. It also has glitters down there, and most of the shadows in here are kind of shimmery, but I will see what I can do for my crease. I am after that blue color, so I will be looking at the eyeshadows in this range. Since it's all got bright colors without any nudes in it, so if you're kind of gonna use nude colors, then you have to get another palette. The range that I want to use only has shimmery colors, but I can see a matte green here, but I'm not looking at green. So the black in the palette is very matte, so I will be using that. Tapping in there, from there. Oh, that's a lovely black. It is Park and V. Wow, I like it. I will then bring this black all the way to this side. I will then blend out that black with that blue. So I am using the blue to blend out the black. That is done. Using my concealer, I will then cut my crease. When the crease is done, I will then be going in with the blue glitter. In there. When done with the glitter, I will then go in with the black that I use. Yeah. And just because of the glitter, I'm just kind of patting that. For my waterline, I'm just going to use a black eyebrow pencil. And I will smoke that with the black that I used, the black and blue. For the lipstick, I am using Rundu. It's also by You Comestics. And for the eyelashes, I'm also using these by You Cosmetics. Look at these lashes, guys. They're very they're of good size, not really dramatic, and you can wear these every day. And we're finally done with this look. So if you're looking to buy the palette, it is worth buying. It's a rainbow palette, so there are very bright colors in it. There we go. It is good. There is no fallout at all. As you can see, when I was starting, I'd already set my face and stuff, and there was no fallout down there whatsoever. And I like how pigmented the black is. The lashes are so feather light. The lipstick is matte. It's good. And guys, all done for now. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos. So bye for now, till next time.